Alright, welcome back guys to Western Earth Weather. So today we're going to start with satellite imagery. Satellite imagery shows minimal cloud cover over the Toronto, Metro, Hamilton areas. Some going to, as we go to more central to upstate New York, got some more rain, even some of these producing some rain and thunderstorms. We got a little potential up here for thunderstorm activity. Nothing much for the Western area. We got some mostly blue skies, sun shining. Go outdoors. It's a nice day. Let's go look at radar. You can probably guess it's gonna be nothing. Yeah, it's showing a lot more clouds, but this is all radar, gunk. Because you got some, it's showing heavier thunderstorms down here, but it is not the case. But it's just a really nice day out, and this nice weather is going to continue at least for the next couple days, even the next couple weeks, where it's just going to be nice. A high pressure is just going to sit here. Looking at the Buffalo Weather Service office webpage, no watches, warnings, or advisories at this time. Weather's nice, no advisories. It's also not that hot where no heat advisories or anything. Looking at the weather story for today, weekend the weekend update is lingering lake enhanced showers east southeast of Lake Ontario. If we go back to radar, that's over here near Oswego, Red Creek, near Watertown, most possibly, just in this corner right here. If we go back here, then its lows range from mid 40s to upper mid 50s. Then the next couple of days, mainly dry weather until we hit Sunday. Scattered showers are possible with lows being higher. We got some 80-degree weather is possible on that Saturday. It's gonna be a nice weekend. Not a lot of clouds on Friday, Saturday, as we talked about. There's gonna be a high pressure system just gonna sit there and produce like a bubble effect where no rain, no thunderstorms can get passed through, and yeah. Experimental weather outlook, as we discussed from the weather story on Sunday. There's gonna be a chance of thunderstorms, rain. Every chance there's rain, there's a better chance of thunderstorms. Similar risk on that Monday, Tuesday. It's a little bit less, only affecting Cattaraugus and Chautauqua counties. And on Wednesday, the thunderstorm potential comes back up to including most of the weather office. There is no threat of fire weather. No, there's a small threat of marine weather where this lake enhanced rather affects areas between Rochester and Fulton. Maybe some effects from Fulton and Watertown. Well, let's look at the models. As this high pressure sits here, all the nice weather comes to end sooner rather or later. As this high pressure comes more southerly, you get some lows. Trying to track across, but you get this deepening low, dual low. Later in the model run for ECWF, some producing some widespread rain and thunderstorms. This could be a deepening low, and it could produce some gustier winds, maybe some severe weather with it. But this is still later in the model run, 216 hours. That's 2+ weeks out. Let's see, GFS. GF has more of a long range model. So we got this high pressure is going to start sagging south, and you got this low that might GF has around hour 138. This low is going to still remain somewhat intact, bring some showers and maybe some of a better chance of thunderstorms. Obviously it's a weaker low, so it won't be as strong as the other lows we saw. We got this high pressure coming through, and the low around that 210, 240 hour isn't as strong. Shows it's coming a little bit earlier as this high pressure tapers off. Looking at CMC, get this high pressure and get some lows tracking across just north of us. I got some thunderstorm potential around hour 138 for Canada. Some of these can have some downpours, maybe some severe weather associated with this. Again, some of these discrete cells could produce some gustier winds. But this low here, it's going to come back up. It's going to deepen a lot, and it won't be as perfect. And it doesn't seem like it's going to hit like the western area of like any rain from CMC. So it's not a lot of agreement when this low, the track of this low, and how strong this low is, being how far out it is. I wouldn't be worried if you're like, I wouldn't be worried about this storm system. Looking at Icon, this is more of a mid-range model for sure, and it's have this high pressure just gonna sit here. There's some rain for northern central New York spawning. Get this low that develops. It's gonna come this way, but it's gonna dissipate real quickly. Get some rain. There could be some lake effects, but not much. This high pressure is just gonna produce a bubble. Look at the probabilistic hazards. As this high sets up, again, it's gonna produce a bubble-like feature, where it's gonna give us some slight risk of excessive heat. I'm not too worried. I don't think highest it could go is like 90 Fahrenheit. It's gonna be a little bit warmer, but it's gonna be a couple days, if that. Actually, let's do this. Looking at the forecast maps, today there's some thunderstorm potential. Northern New York. Some of this is also like rain thunderstorm. Again, just high just blocks. And there's some chances of rain and thunderstorms today as the day goes on. But that's the national forecast maps. I don't think it's gonna be that much. Yeah, a little bit to none precipitation. Not a lot of not a lot of excessive rainfall. There's a high pressure, so yeah. Looking at the Climate Prediction Center, precipitation, no precipitation threat. Snow, no wind. There's a temperature threat. A slight risk is issued. It's from the yesterday's 6 to 10 day outlook. It's now down to 70-80%. Not too bad, or around this 50-60 is really, as this high pressure comes down more southern. Precipitation's gonna get a little more above average as this high pressure comes down, comes over here, blocking this. But if you liked the video, please smash the like button and please subscribe. Comment down below what you want for the next video, any suggestions, improvements, what whatever, please comment down below that. Uh, thanks for watching.